Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a review or first look of the drop Terzuola Cyrus Persian folder. And firstly I must thank to my friend that generously did send in this knife for me to make this video and share the knife with everybody here on my channel. So let's talk about this knife. So the manufacturer, or should I say firstly who did spearheaded this collaboration. So Drop, the company formerly known as Mass Drop, is a website. They offer really nice items, mostly electronics, but sometimes also knives. They do collaborations with known knife makers, custom knife makers, and when they get a design, then they try to find the best possible way how to manufacture it and give you good value for your money. So, but let's talk a little bit about the knife itself. So this is the second collaboration with Bob Terzuola. Bob Terzuola is well known in the knife community. He's the godfather of the tactical knife. So he's been making knives for a couple of decades. Still active, still making custom knives. And this is probably one of the best ways how you can experience one of his custom designs. Okay, so the folder, Cyrus, takes his name from the Cyrus the Great, which was the founder of the first Persian Empire, and it's based on Terzuola's custom design, and it is 1 1/8 inches shorter, so more compact. I don't know, I don't have the original packaging, but I did look online. So previously Mass Drop did use this kind of box, and the Cyrus did come in a white box with only Drop written on the box. Basically what you will get inside is the same, so you will get a really nice pouch, also I think case with a microfiber cloth. Okay, let me give you the quick specifications so that we can talk a little bit more about the knife. We have an overall length of 19.5 centimeters, that is 7.7 inches. The blade length is 8.2 centimeters or 3.2 inches. The blade width is 2.2 centimeters or 0.86 inches. The thickness is 4 millimeters or 0.16 inches. The handle is 11.3 centimeters long or 4.4 inches. And the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.4 centimeters, 0.55 inches. Materials used on this one, we have CPM S35VN for the blade, which has a really beautiful triple bevel hollow grind. And on the handles we have anodized titanium liners, not skeletonized, and marble carbon fiber with a nice beautiful 3D sculpted or 3D milled titanium pocket clip. The pivot profile is based on caged ball bearings, so we have really smooth opening, liner lock, nicely centered. The weight comes at 95.3 grams or 3.4 ounces. You have a few options you can choose from. So this is the marble carbon fiber. Then there is also a double red coral micarta and OD green micarta and brown micarta. The knife is made by V Knives from China, so there is the guarantee of a excellently made knife. The blade has a really beautiful Persian style. Blade, of course, has name. Okay, now let me show you the pocket profile. So it will go inside really easily because we have smooth marble carbon fiber underneath the pocket clip. This is how much it will stick out. Price wise, so this is a little bit of a problem because they are not available currently. Drop does make occasionally a run of these knives and they will be offered only on their site, but I did look on Amazon and I did find some pricing. So the pricing there was from $190 to $200 depending on which configuration you are choosing. So but yes, if these will go around $200, then definitely you have a great purchase on your hand. Sometimes they will pop up on eBay, but I would suggest, or should I would speculate that the pricing will be higher on those sites, just because these are limited. I don't know the exact numbering because these are not printed or laser engraved on the blade. We have only S35E and down on the flipper and Bob Terzuola's logo on the other side. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons. So I did bring out a few carbon fiber blades out. So this is the E771 Eagle, Sea Eagle from Real Steel. Then I have here from Brother the model number 1507. CIKT Pilar. My mass drop model Buck. The TS111 from Tucson. Let's continue with Ace Grand Giant Mouse, QSP Pelican, Cubieris, QSP Penguin, CVV Elementum, Little Main Street from Concept, Red Model 1, Red Model 2, Kershaw Blur, 940 from Benchmade, Large Griptilian from Benchmade, Small Griptilian from Benchmade, Kaiserberg Lighter 2, Spyderco Delica, Spyderco Endura, Small Peanut or Peanut only, sorry, from Rough Rider. Sodbuster Junior from Case. Bugsprint Pro. And let's close it down with K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall I must say this is a really beautiful and unique piece that I'm really grateful that I could experience. So another big thanks to my friend, and as you can see there, V-Knife made a really beautiful triple bevel hollow grind on this blade. I forgot to mention that we have a drop design pivot screw. I really don't know why they put it on the opposing side, not on the presentation side, but probably just to honor Bob Terzuola, so that the presentation is really clean and only his logo is visible. And I really appreciate that they don't put anything else on the blade, so this is fairly look like a custom. And of course, this is the most close you can get to a full-blown custom from Bob Terzuola, which goes for really high prices. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you're not, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my other hobbies. Okay, so I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.